Have you ever wondered how the entirety of human history could be compressed into just a few minutes? Picture, if you will, the dawn of time. Our earliest ancestors, the first Homo sapiens, are huddled around a fire, their faces illuminated by the dancing flames. Their lives are simple, but not without struggle. They are hunters, gatherers, wanderers in a world still largely unknown. The discovery of fire marks a turning point, providing warmth, protection, and a means to cook their food. It becomes a beacon of hope in the darkness, a symbol of humanity's undying spirit. The invention of the wheel soon follows, revolutionizing transportation and paving the way for future advancements. These early developments, while seemingly modest, were monumental in shaping the course of human history. They were the first steps on a journey of relentless curiosity, a journey that would span millennia, reshape the world, and define our species. From prehistoric times to the dawn of civilization, the human species has always been defined by its relentless pursuit of knowledge and innovation. Fast forward to the birth of civilization, where does our story take us next? It takes us to the fertile banks of the Nile in Egypt, the Tigris and Euphrates in Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley in India, and the Yellow River in China. These are the cradles of civilization where human societies first began to blossom. Here we learned to tame the land, turning wild grains into cultivated crops, marking the birth of agriculture. We also witnessed the advent of writing, an invention that not only allowed us to communicate, but to record our history. In Mesopotamia, they used cuneiform script, in Egypt, hieroglyphs, in China, oracle bone script, and in India, the Indus script. Around the same time, we see the emergence of governance. From the pharaohs of Egypt to the emperors of China, humanity began to organize itself under leaders and constructed monumental works. From the pyramids of Egypt to the Great Wall of China, humans have always sought to leave their mark on the world. Human history is not just about the rise and fall of empires, but also about the ideas that shape our world. What happened next? Our journey takes us to the Middle Ages, a time often characterized as dark and stagnant, yet it was during this era that foundations for modern universities were laid and the seeds of the Renaissance were sown. The Renaissance, a golden age of art, literature and science, ignited a thirst for knowledge and exploration that would span continents. This insatiable curiosity paved the way for the Industrial Revolution, a period of rapid technological advancements that would forever change the way we live and work. Then came the two world wars, times of great turmoil that nonetheless sparked significant cultural and technological shifts. The aftermath of these conflicts propelled us into an era of unprecedented innovation and progress. As we've seen, human history is filled with periods of great upheaval and change, but also periods of remarkable progress and innovation. As we venture into the 20th and 21st centuries, we see humans reaching for the stars. But how did we get there? The advent of the space age marked a major milestone in human history. It all began with the launch of the first satellite, Sputnik, by the Soviet Union in 1957. This event sparked a space race between superpowers that would lead to remarkable achievements. Just a decade later, in 1969, Apollo 11 made a giant leap for mankind, with Neil Armstrong becoming the first human to step foot on the moon. But the quest didn't stop there. The Mars rover missions, starting with Sojourner in 1997, have been exploring the Red Planet, providing valuable insights about its geology and potential for life. From the first step on the moon to rovers on Mars, humans have always been explorers, pushing the boundaries of what is known. In the blink of an eye, we've moved from the space age to the digital age. But what does the future hold? The advent of the internet, a digital web spun across the globe, has brought us closer than we've ever been. Then smartphones, tiny powerhouses in our pockets, have put the world at our fingertips. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is now a reality, learning and evolving at a pace that leaves us breathless. But it's not just here on Earth that we've made strides. Beyond our atmosphere, the James Webb Space Telescope peers into the cosmos, unraveling the mysteries of the universe one star at a time. These technologies have fundamentally transformed our lives and will continue to shape our future in ways we can't even imagine. From the first caveman to the James Webb Space Telescope, the story of humanity is a story of constant progress and relentless curiosity. What chapter will we write next in the annals of human history?